In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find a channel ID on Slack, step by step. This is something you'll often need if you're working with Slack integrations, automation tools, APIs, webhooks, or third-party apps that require a channel ID instead of just the channel name. A lot of people get stuck trying to figure out where Slack hides this information, but once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can follow along easily. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. This can be done either in your web browser or using the Slack desktop app, and the steps are exactly the same. Once you're inside Slack, look at the left-hand sidebar and navigate to the channel where you want to find the channel ID. This can be a public channel, a private channel, or even a channel used for team collaboration or automation. Click on the channel so it opens in the main chat window. This is important because the channel ID is specific to each individual channel, not the entire workspace. Now that you're inside the correct channel, look at the very top of the Slack window. You'll see the channel name displayed clearly at the top, usually with a hashtag for public channels or a lock icon for private ones. Go ahead and click directly on the channel name. When you click on it, Slack will open the Channel Details panel. This panel contains useful information about the channel, including its description, members, and settings. This is where Slack hides the channel ID, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. With the Channel Details panel open, scroll down slowly. As you scroll, you'll see sections like About, Members, and sometimes Integrations, depending on your workspace settings. Keep scrolling until you find a section labeled Channel ID. The channel ID is a unique string of letters and numbers that Slack uses internally to identify this specific channel. It usually starts with a capital C, followed by a mix of numbers and letters. This is the value you'll need when connecting Slack to bots, APIs, or automation tools. Once you see the channel ID, Slack makes it very easy to use. Right next to the channel ID, you'll see an option to copy it. Go ahead and click on Copy Channel ID. Slack will automatically copy the ID to your clipboard, so you can paste it wherever you need it. You can now use this channel ID in your integrations, scripts, workflows, or any other tool that asks for it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully found and copied a Slack channel ID in just a few clicks. Before you go, if this video saved you time or cleared things up, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, software tutorials, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.